Hey guys, this is the brand new 530e. When I say brand new, it's the LCI or Life Cycle Impulse, or LCI, the facelift. And if that was the current iteration of the 530e, well, this is the outgoing model. So they are both 530es. They're both hybrids, obviously. And I guess looking side by side, what do you think? Well, let me give you a bigger picture. Now, if you see, the lights exterior line design seems to be the same. However, you know what, the 3D effect on the new 530e is simply stunning. Just look at that. It's just beautiful, you know. It looks way more modern, and makes the pre-facelift looks a bit dated actually. Bumper design wise, to me it looks almost similar, but there are small nuances which I'm not a big issue with. Side profile, again, all the same. Rims, these are obviously much more rangi and garang. You can see that. Zoom in. Oh yes, the rims are actually quite beautiful. And obviously the earlier one, the rims are okay. They're both M Sport rims, but yeah, it looks more polished and refined on the newer version. On the front is, I think, where the biggest change is. If you look at the front here, what you'll notice is that the current LCI model has got more angular designs. The grille somewhat is the same size of the outgoing model, but the size of the grille, it looks more, I guess, more defined because of the angular shapes. Now the lights, obviously, it's a big takeaway. It almost doesn't seem very BMW-ish, which is a good thing, because you know what, BMW has become a bit lazy in the design. And I think I'm quite liking the whole idea. From this light to this light. Are you a fan? Let me know. But so far, driving the car and the way it looks, I'm a big fan. It looks beautiful, guys. It looks beautiful. 530i at 317, 530e, sorry, at 317. I think it's a steal.